Fuck it, just do it. Hello, Kiran.
Hi, Nasha.
Let us talk about confidence today. Since you've attended a lot of client meetings, you know how real-time pitching works. You know how people or the client can change their perspective even like after a right word you use or the wrong word you use. So give us some tips about what you should say when you are pitching to a client in real life and how confidence plays a crucial role in that.
Okay, so lovely question, first of all. And the most common thing is that as soon as a person walks into a client meet, perhaps it is their first client meet, but for me, even if it's the 50th client meets, I'm still a bit nervous because it just happens to you naturally, right? Like when you're supposed to face like it might be successful, but it will also be failure, right? So you never know which path it's gonna go. But one thing that you can do is just try to be as confident as you are in your product. Know everything that you can about your own product and try to see it through the person whom you are pitching to, their lens as well, because that is what actually plays a very important role. By that scene, like, you would also be able to understand what kind of questions they may pose you, what kind of situations they may be coming from, and the context building would be even better, and you would be able to frame your answers which will soothe their ears. So that is something that you would definitely want to keep in mind. Make sure that you
Oh wow.
that
The
is
light
so
went
scary.
down.
Should we continue?
Yeah. Okay, so like naturally we had to change our location
Yeah.
because of logistical issues that we did not foresee. Alright, so thank you so much for answering your confidence wala question. Now, like you mentioned that even if it is your 50th client meeting, there is a chance that they might just say no, and the part where you are scared always remains the same, and maybe it even like increases if the client is very important. There is one question that clicked into my mind. So since there is a since you're scared of failures, we rather procrastinate these important meetings. We rather skip these meetings. We're like कि अच्छा आज तो I'm not ready, maybe I'll just like do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So when that procrastination comes into play, how do we make sure that we are not procrastinating or we are not degrading our pitching before even pitching that person?
Okay, that's a very genuine concern as well. But I don't know, I would want to say something very philosophical, but I don't know if it makes sense. I personally believe that if anyone says that, oh, I did not get a chance, that's because they got a ton of chances, but they did not utilize any one of them. So when I said that, we might be scared, that there's going to be a failure. But what about the 50% chance that it is gonna get succeeded? And if not succeeded, it can be a trial practice to your eventually successful client meet that you will get because you failed this one, right? Everything. So when we were younger, when I was younger personally, my handwriting was so bad that it was not even readable in exams, but I knew everything. So that's the thing. I mean, if you have the thing that the other person wants, it's just a matter of you conveying them in the way that they understand it. If they understand it, well and good. If they don't, you will realize another way in which you can make them understand the same thing in a different manner, or you would change your clientele. Maybe you weren't looking for the right people. Maybe you will be able to understand that this is not my audience. My audience is rather this, right? You would try to change formats. You would try to personalize it in a better way. And everything is a learning opportunity if you want to make it so do not, I mean, be scared, but do it anyways.
Yeah,
that's what I want to say.
So like your conclusion is fuck it, just do it.
True. That is so true.
That can be my thumbnail. Like the hookup.
That should definitely be.
Fuck it, just do it.
Yeah, and that was our motivation when the light went out and we were like, fuck it, let's just do it anyways.
So like we are late for a conference meeting we have to go for, and
let's run. Bye.
Yeah.